Hello friends, welcome to one more video from Urban Trader. Today let's understand, can stock market algo trading can create a monthly income, the two without quitting job. Let's try to understand that. I have been participating in the stock market passively and actively for a couple of years now, and I always looked upon stock market to understand how it works and how passionately I can get involved in that. And I always looked upon to see that pondering on a question that how will be able to create a monthly income without quitting my job. When I went deep and tried to understand that perspective, the more promising question which came across was, even if I'm uh, busy at business, or I'm working at a job, even a housewife or a mother or a retired person, uh, irrespective of where background I come from, how I would be able to create a monthly income. So that's what I always think about, how to solve the common problem in the market. We can go for a bank FD. Currently, if you look at the bank FD, which are at 5% interest rate, and maybe if you're senior citizen, you might get 7% interest rate. And the other option would be considering as a rental yield. uh, the other option would be you can start up a other business, but the challenge would be, you lack skill and time. And you can also look at stock dividends, but stock dividends are at only 2%. They can create a wealth, but over a long period of time, but they cannot give a monthly income as such. The other option would be you can consider the post office scheme or MS mutual fund, but you would require a large upfront capital. So just to rephrase the question, I thought it might make sense. How then I came across, can stock market trading generate a monthly income? Then can this be the solution for the problem what I'm trying to look at? The challenge would be, the trading manually, the profit returns what we get from the market, they are not consistent. So if you look at, you can find these videos in YouTube also. And it also requires a full-time attention. The other challenge is also slippage cost. It's a profit because this is something when you want to place a trade, instead of placing at certain price point, because of the market fluctuation, you end up buying at a different price. So this is a logic in terms of how you actually lose in your profit because of the slippage when you trade manually, even because of your stop loss. And when you trade manually, these are non-repeatable. That means you need to keep trading every day in, day out. And these are not systematic. When I say systematic, when you actually trade manually, you would be keep jumping from indicator to indicator, and you be wondering which is the right indicator to work with. So there's no statistics to see or systematic way to approach that, this is the right way where you can make a consistent profit in that. And it's not predictable. You can make a money for quite some days, and then you can lose all of them and even more from your capital. So it's not predictable. And it also happens because how the psychology and emotional you are influenced by when you're on the trade. And sometimes it can lead to over trading, and you can blow up the account also. So it's very important that you will be cautious in terms of how you trade in terms of manually. Look at algo trading then. In algo trading, profit returns are consistent, measurable. When I say consistent and measurable, you can actually say that this is the profit you need and this is the stop loss you're going to put. In that way, you can manage your risk and reward, and you always know that how much profit returns you're going to make out of it. And you always have trade stations or the setups where you get fully automated trades, where it can generate from right from the signal generation to trade settlement. So it's a fully automated applications you get where you can trade and set up and let them run. And accuracy and speed, this is very important in terms of how the execution happens. So whenever the signal comes, it actually precisely triggers the order at the specific price point, and it's very accurate, and it's very on time. So some of the trades which actually happens in less than a millisecond. So that's the accuracy and the speed what you can get at. And these are repeatable, systematic, and predictable with the back test and forward test. So once you deploy and run and deploy these algo trades, they can actually, whenever the signal comes, they can keep taking the trades on them. And they are basically systemized. And when I say systemized, they are basically driven by the rules. And they actually, you can do a back test and forward test, and you can predict the results in terms of how the algo can perform, and you can measure them in terms of what the profits you can expect in a month or in a quarter. And the main important thing is you can be out of the psychology and emotional issues, because most of the manual trading happens, because when you're on a trade, your emotions will drive differently, and when you analyze the chart in the backdated date, you feel that this is the right place to buy and sell. But that's not how it works when you're on manual trade. But this is completely eliminated when you do the rule based trading using algo. So that's the biggest advantage, I would say, in terms of algo testing or algo trading. Definitely, at a bank interest rate of 5%, so your monthly interest you draw would be 2000 rupees per month. So for the same 5 lakh money you have, you can buy a Bank Nifty future lot. You get the each lot is 1.5 lakh. You roughly get about 3 lots for the same capital for the overnight carry forward. And when we look at the historical data, this is the data which I have pulled for this year. And when we look at if we can actually capture the portion of it, let's say 2% we capture in. So if you look at Bank Nifty moves 44 points in 5 minutes any given day. So that's the volatility what we have. So what this is we need to be right only 5 minutes in a month to make 3,300 rupees per 5 lakh capital if you are right. So if you can trade a single bar in a month, once in a month in a Bank Nifty future instrument, you can actually beat the FD returns. So you can make a better returns at the least possible measurement using algo trading. And let's look at how algo trading. This is one of the algo which I have created. So if you look at this is the algo, and what basically it does, it's been performed on the Bank Nifty futures. And if you look at this is the result, how it has performed over a period of. And if you look at the profit performance is improved, which is at 90,000 now on a single Bank Nifty lot. And just the status now. So in terms of overall summary, I think it's still at 45% of profitability. And in terms of risk and reward, I think it has not changed anything much. So average loss is still at 1.39%, and average win is at 10, and the largest losing is 1.81, which is at 3,000 per lot. So the risk is limited and the profit is increasing. So this is what is most important in algo to check. So let's quickly look at the trades. This is the trades which is done. These are the trades on the Bank Nifty. It has done till 26. There's still an open position. But I think, yeah, I thought I can quickly check and share this with you guys. Thank you. So officially that shows that algo trading can create a monthly income. And since I'm from a technical background, I can help you guys in terms of if you need any help or any assistance in terms of how to set up the algo and how to run this. Do let me know if you need any assistance in terms of algo trading or setting up algo to manage your funds. I can help you as much as possible. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Good day.